Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Passat. The Volkswagen Passat is roomy and powerful. It is a supple and controlled ride with a quiet and comfortable ride. Volkswagen brings it all together and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, heated front seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.